Hello everybody, I'm Salma Islam. I'm from year 4. I'm joining the Snack Attack Challenge with 2 healthy snacks, one sweet and one savory. My first snack is a mini veggie sandwich. It has brown toast, cheese, tomato, cucumber. It's fresh, crunchy and really healthy. This one has about 80 calories, 3 grams of protein, 4 grams of fat and 9 grams of carbs. For our second sweet snack, we're gonna make energy balls. For our ingredients, we're gonna use peanut butter, oatmeal, dates, and cocoa powder. They are full of energy and super yummy. We will blend it together. Now, we're gonna blend it. Now that that's over, let's make it into a tiny ball. First of all, we need some gloves. Good. Now we're gonna make balls. Now we have to put these balls in the fridge for 1 hour. Fun fact, each ball has 90 calories, 2 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 10 grams of carbs. I learned how to choose smart snacks that are healthy and tasty. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.